Hey friends, welcome to Water Week. For this week, on Monday Craft Day, we are going to be making a bubble snake. Let's go.
For this craft, you are going to need a bottle of dish soap, a recycled water bottle, scissors, a sock, an elastic band, food coloring, and a small shallow container. First things first, we are going to cut the bottom off of our water bottle. Once that is done, you can get your sock. Once your sock is on, you can put an elastic band around it. Next, you're going to put some dish soap in your small container. Then add a little bit of water. Then you can go on to the fun part. If you don't want any colors on your sock, that's totally okay. You can put aside the food coloring. I just wanted to see if I could make my bubbles rainbow. So I went over to my sink and I put some colors on my sock to see if I could make some fun colors. Now you can see I have my colors and my elastic band on my water bottle and my sock. Just make sure that you ask a parent's permission and for some help. Now I dip it in the soapy water and you blow out the top, and there are the bubbles.
See you on Wednesday for more fun in the sun. Bye guys.